Coffee and Creative Planners, and also your Tula XII Brand Ambassador. So I just wanted to start a little series here with you guys, our easy 1, 2, 3 step process on how to customize and create your very own Tula XII planner. We are going to start today with step 1, which is very simply choose your cover. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the different covers that we have available, the different sizes, the different styles. Let me go ahead and set my coffee down and push it out of the way so we don't get that in the way. So the first thing I want to start with is that we do have 3 different sizes. We have a medium size, an extra large size, and also a small size. Now I don't have the small size here with me today. I've ordered one, I'm waiting for it to come in. It is not necessarily one that I happen to use personally for a whole lot of things, but our medium and our XL are our most popular sizes. So what I want to start with is our interchangeable cover. Now this is kind of the equivalent of a 2-piece bathing suit. They don't have to be matchy-matchy, but you know nowadays when you go buy a 2-piece bathing suit, you very simply pick a top, pick a bottom, and mix them together. Same exact concept with our interchangeable covers. They come in 2 pieces, which makes it really easy to change things around for the season, find something that you love that you want to change, or I kind of look at it very simply as taking something like your purse and switching it out for an event or the season or whatever you like to swap things out for. So this is great if you like to have change in your life. You are going to love the interchangeable cover. Now all of our covers are made from a synthetic pebbled leather, and you can see that right there. This color is our new spring light gray color. It's absolutely gorgeous. All of our inserts that have 4 elastic bands in the inside are going to have a reinforced spine right around the side here. It's going to give it more stability and hold everything better for you. We've got 4 elastics inside because this is a classic style. On the back side, you're going to have 3 pockets here. So you've got a full half pocket, nice diagonal pocket, small pocket here, which is perfect for stamps, business cards, couple extra pens if you like, and then also our elastic pen loop right there. You've also got your elastic for your closure on this side. So this is the back cover. Now on the front cover, you're going to have whatever design or solid color that you choose. We have lots to choose from. We also have zippers on both. That's how we're going to connect these together. And then on the inside of this, you're going to have a nice scalloped pocket. Now, everything that you are going to put on your planner to make it are all going to go on the back side here. So all of your inserts, most of your accessories are all going to stay right here with your back cover. The front cover is the one that you'll be changing out. Now, if you can zip a jacket, you can use an interchangeable cover. All we're simply going to do is line the zippers up right like this. Make sure it's lined up at the bottom. Hold on to that bottom part there. Zip it straight up, and now we have one piece together. Now this happens to be one of our newest ones and one of our newest covers. It's the tie-dye. I love it. Look at those beautiful colors. So, so pretty. And when you are done putting everything together, you just use that elastic to close that over and you're all set. So this is a size medium again, and it's about a 5 by 7 size. So you can see it's a little bit larger than my hand. You've got some space up here, but your inserts are going to be about a 5 by 7 with this one. Now the other styles that we have 2 other styles also. We have a Classic Pro, which is our sleeker, thinner design. So this one has 2 elastic bands inside and no reinforced spine because it has the 2 bands, but everything else is very similar. So you still have our pebbled synthetic leather. This is a 1-piece. It's going to have the elastic pen loop, of course. Your pockets inside, the configuration is also a little bit different. So on this one, the back pocket is 1 full half pocket, and this one is a 3/4 pocket with also slots for business cards or sticky notes or whatever else you'd like to stick in there, and the elastic closure when you fold it over. Now you're going to see that this one is a lot thinner, it's a lot sleeker. This is perfect for things on the go, if you just need to keep a couple of inserts with you at one time, household planners, organizers, meal plans, things for the home, things like that. This is also the one that's most popular with the men. So we have this one, and this one is called the Classic Pro, and again, this one's also the medium size. So I'm going to stick with all the mediums first to show you everything. So this is our classic cover. This also has the reinforced spine. It is still synthetic pebbled leather. It's beautiful. This is our beautiful raspberry color. How gorgeous is that? Have your elastic closure still, But on the inside of the classic, you have matching pockets. So you've got a half pocket, the diagonal pocket, the baby pocket I like to call it. You've got the matching pockets on the back as well as your elastic pen loop, and you have your 4 elastics here to hold your insert. So this is considered a classic cover. I love this style. If I'm being honest, this is one of my favorites because I love all the extra pocket space. So this is the raspberry, again, also in the medium size. So the 3 different styles that we have, just to recap really quickly, we have our interchangeable cover, we have our Classic Pro, which is sleeker and thinner, and then we also have our Classic cover. So those are the 3 different styles that we have in our cover line. Now I want to show you very quickly the XL because the XL is my favorite. It's the one that I use the most. I do have a couple of them. This is the XL. You can see much bigger than my hand. It is about the size of a old black and white notebook, composition notebook, if you remember those with the tape spine. It's exactly the same size as that, just about. And it still has the elastic closure. It is still going to have your reinforced spine. So the classic cover is exactly the same, just a different size. This is our beautiful new sunflower. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. With the beautiful teal, the details, look at the different colors in those leaves, absolutely gorgeous. And when you open it up, we have a little sunflower medallion here and the 3 pocket configuration on both sides again with the beautiful stripes in the middle. So this is the XL size. This is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to put this side by side so you can see the difference in size. Quite a difference in size. Like I said, the XL is absolutely my favorite, but a lot of people do choose the medium. I have a medium as well that I use for more personal things, but for my business things, I always go with the XL. So I hope that's helpful in choosing your cover and deciding which one of these styles will be best for you. Stay tuned as we look at step 2, which is choose your inserts. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.